Sam Space 81 at the 30th and finale of the NSRA Southeast Street Rod Nationals, Tampa Bay, Florida this year. I'm doing a documentary. This is just a quick minute look. Some of the things you're going to see. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Hope everybody's doing well out there. We've got quite a variety. This is going to be a heck of a documentary when I get done with it. If you like what you see, subscribe. If you already do, I appreciate it. Any suggestions, I'm always open to it, good, bad, or indifferent. I love the comments. I respond to everybody.